Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, August 4th, 1999, 8 am. The religions that deny reincarnation are in contradiction with their habits, which consist in performing rituals of purification on the child right from the birth. Why should the child be purified if he has a spontaneous divine creation and already in a pure state? What else should be added? The adult must undertake an inner cleaning. It is what an Abbasi must do. This work is essential to let the divine energy get into him. The transmission, as we call it, is carried out all the better if the receiver is in the best conditions of receptivity. It is one of the few ways where so much emphasis is put on this preparation. To meditate on one's own tendencies is not good, as it only results in reinforcing them. The Abhyasi can all the better receive if he prepares himself assiduously by doing his cleaning each evening and by being regularly followed by the prefect of his choice. He will then be under the optimal conditions to receive this true blessing, which is the Pranahuti. Our way is simple. Perhaps it is necessary to further recall how much regularity and rigor in practice are indispensable for your progress. Missing no seminars, no group meditations, that's good, but make sure you don't neglect this personal preparative work that can seem demanding but is an indispensable foundation for obtaining the best results. Think on it, don't let up, correct yourself on this aspect if necessary to set out again on the right foot. The road is long. It's better to be well equipped and to benefit fully from the richness of this way. Babuji. Wednesday, August 4th, 1999, 10 am. You are right, my child. Let's get back to love. It licks the wounds. Receiving it or giving it produces the same effects. It is the ultimate recourse in the most trying situations. Poor is he who neither receives it nor gives it. You should keep this treasure in you if you have it. Make it bear fruit by distributing it generously. It can only pay off. Even if the return is lower than what you gave, that can be enough to gratify you. As far as we are concerned, we do not return it sparingly. You know it. The process is expanding. You give us love, we return it to you 100-fold. Yours is sincere, ours, needless to say, is of a rare essence, that is, not of a human nature. The medium says, Babuji, I needed to get back to this kind of heart to heart and to hear you speak of love. Yes, I understand. After these recent messages, which do not let us predict anything good for the future of humanity, it is good to get back to this wonderful topic, love. But for the occasion, it is about a special love. We do nothing but evoke it. It is impalpable, elusive, and cannot be explained. It meant to be experienced, perceived, given, and received. It is divine. There lies all the subtlety of this emanation, which comes from the heart, from the depth of the soul. It is a kind of unique elixir which cannot be described, but can only be experienced while becoming imbued with it. Make sure that it develops in you with our blessings, Babuji.